U.S. Department of Transportation logo, Federal Highway Administration.
The need for highway construction, maintenance, and operations workers is growing, but the transportation industry is having a hard time keeping up with the demand. According to a 2021 Associated General Contractors of America survey, 89% of contractors have difficulty finding people to replace skilled workers when they leave.
We need strategic workforce development in order to bring people into the industry, educate them, get them trained so that we can continue to have our roadways and our infrastructure built.
The Everyday Counts innovation, known as Strategic Workforce Development, builds upon an earlier effort called the Highway Construction Workforce Partnership. The 2-year pilot program explored how industry could work collaboratively with the public workforce system to improve their ability to recruit, train, and retain highway construction workers. As a result of the pilot, FHWA created the Identify, Train, Place playbook that condenses lessons learned into simple, repeatable plays others can use.
You don't have to replicate it exactly, but you can take those lessons learned and figure out what works in your community, and then hopefully it will accelerate the partnership so that you don't have to go through those tough times.
Strong partnerships and good practices create a roadmap for the future that benefits everyone.
With the Strategic Workforce Development Initiative, we are joining forces. We're joining forces with the labor boards. We're joining forces with the contracting industry. And we're, of course, joining forces with Federal Highway and the DOTs, bringing all parties together to have those conversations, but also to figure out ways to identify, train, and place qualified workers on jobs. And I think that is very important for all of us to remember.
Resources offered as part of the EDC Strategic Workforce Development Innovation can make a positive impact.
We have strong rural communities and we have youth that want to stay in those rural communities, and so if we're able to connect them with jobs, they'll let them live and have their life experiences in those communities, and it's a win-win for everyone.
Check out the Strategic Workforce Development Toolkit for more information.
Learn more at www.fhwa.dot.gov. Follow the Federal Highway Administration on Facebook, Instagram, Flickr, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. The U.S. government does not endorse products or manufacturers. Trademarks or manufacturers' names appear in this video because they are considered essential to the objective of the video. They are included for informational purposes only and are not intended to reflect a preference, approval, or endorsement of any one product or entity. Except for any statutes and regulations cited, the contents of this video do not have the force and effect of law and are not meant to bind the public in any way. This video is intended only to provide information to the public regarding existing requirements under the law or agency's policies.